Ever wonder how AI can get smarter without ever seeing your private data? Picture this, a group of hospitals collaborating to build a super smart disease-detecting AI, but none of them share patient records. That's federated learning in action, like a team project where everyone contributes their unique expertise without handing over their secrets. But here's the twist. What if each hospital's data is totally different? One has X-rays, another has MRIs, and a third deals with rare conditions. Traditional AI struggles to keep up, like trying to build a bridge where one end is a skyscraper and the other is a hut. Enter AdaptFED, a smarter way for AI to learn from diverse data while keeping it private. Let's break it down. Federated learning typically works by having each hospital train a model on its own data, then share updates to a central AI. But when data varies wildly, those updates can clash. It's like chefs in different kitchens trying to follow the same recipe, but using entirely different ingredients. That's where AdaptFED shines. Instead of a one-size-fits-all model, it gives each hospital a personalized toolkit. Think of it as a master chef who sends custom spice blends to each kitchen, so the final dish tastes perfect, even with local ingredients. AdaptFED uses a special tool called a Hypernetwork to tweak the AI's focus, highlighting what matters most in each hospital's data. Whether it's spotting pneumonia in X-rays or decoding rare language patterns, the model adapts in real time. Here's the magic. AdaptFED doesn't just adjust once. It learns how each dataset is unique, using task-aware embeddings, like a fingerprint for data. This lets it zoom in on the right details, even when data is scattered across medical imaging, time series records, or languages. And because it uses a low-rank Hypernetwork, it's super efficient, saving bandwidth and computing power. Perfect for hospitals with limited resources. But how does it stack up? Researchers tested AdaptFED on 8 diverse datasets, from pneumonia detection to multilingual tasks. The results? It outperformed existing methods, especially in tricky scenarios where the AI had to adapt without seeing the original data, like diagnosing skin conditions without ever looking at skin images. Why does this matter? Federated learning is the future of privacy-preserving AI, but it's only as strong as its ability to adapt. AdaptFED isn't just a tweak, it's a leap forward, making AI systems more flexible, scalable, and ready to thrive in the real world's messy, diverse data landscapes. Imagine your phone, your smart fridge, and a hospital's MRI machine all helping train an AI model, without ever sharing your private data. That's federated learning, a privacy-first way for machines to learn from scattered data. But here's the twist, the data on these devices isn't the same. It's non-IID, like a classroom where every student has a different textbook. How do you teach them all the same lesson? That's where AdaptFED steps in. Think of it as the ultimate personal trainer for AI. While traditional methods like FedAvg average out model updates from all devices, kind of like forcing everyone to wear the same size clothes, AdaptFED gives each device a custom fit. It's like handing each doctor a textbook tailored to their patients' unique conditions. So how does it work? AdaptFED focuses on focal-modulation layers in transformer models. Those are the AI's superstars for tasks from language to images. Instead of tweaking every part of the model, it zeroes in on these critical layers, like fine-tuning the engine of a car rather than every bolt. The result? On CIFAR-10, a dataset of images, AdaptFED hit 93.5% accuracy with 50 devices, over 5% better than the next best method. And on CIFAR-100, it still crushed it at 72%. But here's the real kicker. AdaptFED thrives even when data is messy. In tests with non-IID data, where one device might have only cat photos and another only dogs, it outperformed competitors like FedTP by 5% plus. It's like teaching a robot to recognize a cat in a storm, a desert, or a city, without ever showing it the same picture twice. The secret? Personalization. AdaptFED doesn't just adjust the model, it learns when and where to adjust. Imagine a chef who tweaks a recipe based on the kitchen's tools, not a one-size-fits-all approach. This adaptability lets it handle unstable networks or devices dropping out mid-training, like a team that keeps working even if a member leaves the room. AdaptFED isn't just a tweak, it's a leap forward. By marrying customization with smart architecture, it's paving the way for AI that's not only powerful but also private, flexible, and human-centered. Next time you use a feature like voice recognition or health tracking, remember, you might be part of a network where AI learns from your data without ever seeing it. And thanks to innovations like AdaptFED, that future is already here.